Hi, I'm Amy with craftcuts.com, and these are our painted connected wood letters. This option allows you to choose your favorite font, whether script or not, and have them connect in one solid piece. Plus, they come perfectly painted for your convenience. Painted connected wood letters are cut in our Baltic Birch Plywood, which makes them ideal for crafts and decor. Painted connected wood letters are fully customizable from height, thickness, font, and color to fit your specific project needs. These letters can be ordered in varying heights from 4 inches to 18 inches tall. You can also customize the thickness from 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch. But to prevent them from feeling flimsy, we suggest ordering at least 1/4 inch. You can order painted connected wood letters in over 100 fonts that we have available on our website. In the drop-down menu, you will have the option of Baseline Connect or Letter Connect. Letter Connect means we will bring the letters together so they touch each other, and that can reduce the overall width of the word by about 20%. Baseline Connect means we add a line across the bottom of your word connecting the letters while maintaining the original spacing. Don't forget to pick a color. We have 35 options to choose from. These letters are hand-painted with an indoor-rated matte acrylic paint, only on the sides and face, but not on the back. Order your painted connected letters today on craftcuts.com.